Oh yeah, look at this gem. That's pretty. Better go work on this bitch. Let's see. So about this trailer frame from an iron worker, and let's just say I'm not impressed with his welding at all. Golly, it's like poop. I think I'm gonna just about cut everything and re-weld it myself, because it doesn't inspire confidence when it rolls back into and you see the little gap. That means there's no penetration. Well, every time you change the setup, you have to change the other stuff. Got rid of the toy hauler, got a motorhome, got a pontoon with no trailer. Once we make the trailer capable of carrying the pontoon, then obviously it was getting too close, so I had to build all that. Worked out excellent last weekend, beautiful. Now this weekend we're going to the road run. So this trailer is too massive. It's a heavy equipment trailer, so obviously the axles are far back. It's very tongue heavy, probably not healthy for the motorhome, not without sway bars, but still the trailer empty. It's extremely heavy, so it's like carrying weight for no reason, just to carry two side by sides. Hi Lilu, you wanna give me a no? Okay. So now I'm working on this gem. Pick this thing up. Believe it or not, you could get this for free before the pandemic. Right now, this pile costs $400. But that's okay. So I'm gonna show in another video how bad the welds are. Somebody that claims to be a union worker, iron worker, local 86, did some pretty shitty welds. So I'm cutting the beams. I cut some other beams that he had welded on other dumb places, and I'm putting them on here to straighten the trailer. Oh yeah. The other part I was going to point out is, look at all the fill-up weld he had to do, because obviously he didn't cut the beam correctly. So, but it's still booger. Oh, this is how we weld at home. Oh yeah, see, pretty penetration everywhere, zero gaps. Actually hammer the beam in place. Oh, pretty. All right, let's keep going. Gotta make me a rear bumper. Gotta get the old tires out. We're nice and painted. We're ready for a couple boards and a couple D-ring mounts and the tires. People's like, oh, don't drive like this on the gravel roads. Well, you ain't gonna see behind. Oh, that's the stuff. Needed a light trailer. Got a light trailer. Oh yeah. Looks a little too forward, but why do I want to have plywood on here or wood or frame when there's not a contact patch? The contact patch starts from here back. Tons of room in between. And I got tons of room on the back, even if I want to back up everything a couple inches back. Yep. Because this trailer is like 4,000 pounds empty, so yeah, that trailer is gonna be, it is, I'm sure, probably less than 1,000 pounds, because being mounted on the tow hitch, I can grab the rear bumper and skid the tires. Light duty trailer.